Hi, welcome to another video. This is Ricky, and if you don't know about my channel, you can look at the about. It'll tell you about me. And I live on an organic farm, and today is a dreary day out here in the canyon. Things are really blooming though, and I'm not looking forward to the heat that we're going to get in about 3 more days. During the winter, my roof blew off. It damaged the roof on this, my little tiny home. I've lived here for several years. I have all of this stuff that I play with, the organic gardening. I do garden sculpture. I plant different kind of vegetables and trees and things. And during the season, I videotape just observations that I have going on. Right now, this is the reservoir. And my latest videos, we've been doing a video about Tad and Polly and Wog. They're in there. The reservoir didn't get filled up last night. It just drained for irrigation purposes out here in this organic farm. And then it usually gets filled up and it comes back up. So it kind of stays oxygenated and does real well. It had plenty of oxygen. It was doing real well because we had all that rain and everything, but it's come down, and now we're going to be going into that cycle. So that's what goes on out here. This big tree back there is going to be, you won't be able to see through this in another week or two. And that sky right there, I'm going to flip it around there. Let's look to see. I bet you she's eating an avocado, one of her favorite foods. That's an avocado. Okay. She goes out and picks them. They are low hanging, and she brings them back. That one's not ripe, Sky. She doesn't really care, I guess. She'll bring it over here and set it somewhere and let it get ripe and eat it within the next day or two. I have avocado pits all over the place from her. What are we going to look forward to in the next couple of weeks? This is a thornless blackberry, and it's going to go like boom. I'm going to see this thing just full of flowers. Wow, within the next week, this will get all whacked down and it'll look a lot different. Everything is blooming like crazy, and the avocados, that is really wild. That is loaded. If every one of those things turn into an avocado, I know that tree's not going to be able to bear the weight. Same thing's happening on a lot of these trees. I guess they're getting a lot of nitrogen and a lot of carbon. Well, we know that already, right? Everybody, it is the end of the video for today. I did get a little over a 5K in. I'll post my stats on that. I do have another channel, Trekking Sticks and Yoga, and I'll put the link in on this video about my trekking and what I do with that. So I got a 5K, and I'll put the stats on for the people that are interested in that. And the reservoir is low, and I want to see how the tadpoles are doing. I think it's not too late. I'll do that, and that's what I'll close the video out with. Also, if you noticed in there, I had this chicken going on. You know what that's for? It's for enchiladas and tamales. I'm going to do tamales again, this time chicken and beef tamales. So I'm going to do another thing about my Instant Pot tamales because I'm going to do an event with that. That's all for now. Good night. Thanks. Bye.